This is a story about a pair of lovers run into each other's arms. They'll never make it, but that won't stop them from trying, even though their love is dying. One is the weird one, but he couldn't be more pretty. We watch as he goes crazy on us. The other is cheating. We all know he isn't winning. That's the way it plays. Together they're special.